They're afraid of being blamed. They're afraid of retaliation. They're afraid of not being believed. But most of all, they're afraid of exposure.
Testifying before the House Judiciary Committee, supporters of SB 9 outlined the many reasons sexual assault victims do not come forward. The scope of the state's Rape Shield law, which is meant to protect a victim's privacy, came into question last summer.
It's outrageous that Lizzie's family had to fight all the way to the New Hampshire Supreme Court in order to maintain their daughter's last bit of dignity and privacy.
Under the current law, a victim's sexual past is excluded from trial, as it was in the sexual assault and murder trial of Lizzie Marriott. But when the man convicted in the case sought an appeal, the Rape Shield law no longer protected Lizzie's past. If there had been no conviction, those documents would never have been in danger of going public.
But on the flip side, in cases where rape is proven and there is a conviction and the defendant has the audacity to file an appeal, that all that information could be unsealed on appeal.
The state Supreme Court ultimately voted to keep Lizzie's past private. Advocates say if the protection does not cover the appeal process, victims will be less likely to report an assault.
So as a result, victims are often faced with the choice of seeking justice and having their life exposed in the courtroom, or maintaining their privacy and knowing that a rapist will not be held accountable.
Well, at today's hearing, no one testified against the bill. It was unanimously passed by the Senate last month. Reporting live in the newsroom, Siobhan Lopez, WMUR News 9.